What's up, guys? Well, we got a brake controller in. I don't know what this goes to. And I was teasing Bobby. I said, if parts come in, I don't know what goes. Never mind. Anyways, no, I'm just kidding. I saw the text message. We're putting a tow package or a hitch, tow hitch on Jennifer's 94 Chevy 1500. So here's the brake controller that came in. So super dope.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, a really nice one. Should put one in the Mustang. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Well, I could be cool like Grant and tow my boat.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, his probably could tow more than mine, though. But anyways, guys, off topic a little bit. And, yeah, all right. Well, I think we got other stuff coming later today for it, too.
That's right.
We'll see. All right, guys. Later. Well, guess I missed it. I was up front of the shop. But this is a trailer hitch for the 94 Chevy 1500 that either later on today or possibly early tomorrow we'll get in. We got the brake controller over there.
All my goodies are here, so I can start on that.
Okay.
Right away.
All right.
Let me get these videos live.
Sweet. Later, guys.